I'm going to show you how to title an assignment and add a name heading to it. So first I'm going to title my assignment. So let's just say this was lesson 1.1. And I actually like to use this to create different titles and headings and subtitles. Title sometimes is too big for me, so I'm going to start with a heading 1, and I'm going to say lesson 1.1. And now I'm going to create a table for my name. I'm not going to press enter or return. Right after this, I'm going to enter a table that is 2 by 3 this way. And if you notice, it actually automatically went back to normal text. So I can type in the name, date, and class period. And I like to have that on the right side of my paper, just like I would normally have them do if they were actually writing using paper. And I'm just going to change the width of my columns so that I can have it closer. And then I like to make it obvious for my students for where they need to input information, and I do that by using this fill tool. So this paint can right here, this one is the fill tool, or it also says background color, and my students know that when I select this light yellow color, this is the color that they look for where they need to input their information. So there I have my heading, my title, and my heading. Now there's a couple extra things I'm going to show you here. If you don't like the borders, this icon right here next to the fill tool that says border color, it's automatically set to black. So if I change it to white, it disappears, and then students can just still see where they're going to enter their name, date, and period. And the last thing I'm going to show you, if you feel like this is too spread out and you don't like it's taking up too much space on your page, what I like to do is I like to go to table properties. I could either do a 2-finger click on a Mac or a Chromebook actually, and then go to table properties down here, or I can highlight it and go to table and table properties over here, and I like to change the cell padding to 0.02 and hit OK, and you can see how much less space that actually takes up on your page. And then from here you can type in your directions. Let's say I wanted to just do heading 2 for directions here, and then you would just put in your assignment. So that is how you add a title and a name heading to a page in Google Docs.